Hello everyone, it's Aslan here. Welcome to this live. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure to let me know. If you're watching the replay, whenever you're watching it, it will be recorded on YouTube as well. And this video I'm going to share about Bitcoin analysis as I always do, and up to 5 altcoin at the end of the video, and then 5-10 minutes overview in Hindi Urdu. So if you're just joining, there isn't anyone live yet. If you're just joining, have some patience. I will start. You can skip few minutes, that's not a problem. Feel free to do that. And I'm just going to share the link of this live in my Facebook group so my other members can join too. Alright, oops, 1 second, sorry. Alright, are you so basically it's been following the same pattern as I mentioned. I'm not bragging myself like saying I'm the only one who saw this, but I haven't seen anyone talking about this ascending triangle that was upcoming. Okay, it's following so nicely as I shared in my last live. Okay, if you watched my last live, you know by now that I've been sharing this, and I said that's what I'm expecting. A break like this, if we break out this and then the 8k mark, then I will be very confident going bullish, okay, for bigger targets. But so far a small targets only. Okay, don't think there's gonna be big target hitting because the volume, I don't even need to tell you. Look at the volume bars and look at the volume bars here, and look at the volume bars here. Do you even see there any volume? It's weak. Alright, it's weak, I know, but what we can do is go up and then go sideways and then break out. Right, it's highly possible. The thing is, the ceiling isn't there much yet. Alright, big guys, whales, will never sell at the bottom. They will wait for market go up. They have a lot of patience, and they are the one who run the market. Alright, just give me a second. Let me just do this and I will be with you guys in a minute. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube or Facebook, feel free to share. It's a free updates. And if you want to learn more about this, how to do it yourself, do let me know. Inbox me. The links are in YouTube. The links are below this video to join our Facebook group, and to join, you can contact me from there. Join our Facebook group and contact me there, inbox me, and yeah, then we can talk about this. Okay, somehow my PC got stuck. I don't understand why. Facebook isn't working. I don't see anyone on YouTube, guys. At least show me some comments. No comments at all so far. Alright, so let me just remove this line and let's just start now. So basically, as I already shared in start of this live, that yes, if you go watch my last video, 14th July, you can watch on YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, go to videos, you will find it, or you can go to scroll down below my Facebook profile. You will see a 14th July video, and you will see I shared this. I said we have an inside bar that I'm expecting to break. Okay, we broke inside bar here. We had one inside bar already, the second one inside bar too, and it was a inverted hammer, a bull sign, and at the support, and after 2 rejections. And it was very good signal to enter. And look, 2 days run, and I already said that day that if you enter here, you can set your stop loss. Stop loss is very tight, and you can easily make very good gains comparing to the stop loss. Stop loss was very low here, and you could have made a lot of money here. So if you guys followed, well, good. In my education group, the one I have, my course, I have a small group for those members, because when they have questions, I can reply one person and everyone will basically follows. If they have the same questions, It just grows the knowledge for everyone. So what I told them is, when we had a first leg down here around 60, it was 6,000, 60, 70 roughly, and I said there will be one more, wait for it, between 6100 to 6200, and the market did came 6120. I was going to get entry here in the third one at 6200 as a margin trading. I couldn't because my it was weekend and my broker was out of orders. I can't use my broker weekends, and that's why I couldn't go long. If it's about cash, like buying Bitcoin, actual Bitcoin, I'm not looking to buy right now myself. I'm looking to wait because for now it's still bearish. Alright, as long as we don't cross 8k, I will be still remain bearish, but this will make me gives me a bit confidence if we break that strongly. But remember, in bearish market you will get so many fake outs. Alright, so many fake outs, and we have a sexy head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern. If we break this will complete head and shoulder pattern, and this will give us a long entry, so we can go long. This does not mean it will 100% will give us these targets. All right, guys, you need to keep that in mind. Is the target is almost 8,000, 7,980, something like that, but we have this zone, a pretty strong zone. If you know, I've been talking about this a lot. This is our zone, and market will give us some type of sign here. If it does, it's gonna come back and it's gonna retest this zone. We'll see what's gonna happen. There's nothing we can say right now because no one's seen the future or knows what's gonna happen really in the future. And right now we are right in the resistance as well, and that's what is reacting at, and probably it's gonna take on daily it's been going up, so probably it may go up more and then a pullback and then retest again. So that's what I'm expecting, a small pullback tomorrow, maybe a red day, small red day, to retest 6400. Tomorrow I'm expecting retest of 6400 and then a leg up again to 6700 to 6800. Let's see what happens. RSI is trying to cross 50 as well on daily. If you're joining late, you can always rewatch it. There is no issue with that. You can always rewatch it. Alright, just give me a second. I'm just trying to read some comments. I'm glad you're learning, bro. Alright, so biggest trading from Wales is offline. People comment on Facebook. Oh yeah. Hi. That's good, a move. Yeah, it was a good move, honestly. It was highly expected. I'll show you those charts. This was my thumbnail that I made for 14th August video. It says that day, sorry, 14th July. It says up there 14th July, and this is what I saw here. Okay, before I went live, I made this video. I said we probably gonna get breakout, and that's what's happening. It's following as I expected. You know, it's not something. The thing is, technical analysis is just to help us based on the past history, what happens, how the pattern works. Because the thing is, pattern works because everyone follows them. Right? Whatever everyone follows, it will work. Okay, and people look for this resistance to short. The resistance, poor resistance zone does not mean it will always come back from there. It can always break it, but you need to know how, because the more you stay in the market, the more you learn technical analysis, observe the market, how it reacts, how it makes the pattern and go up. Yeah, stuff like this. Okay, it's all about practice. Okay, the more you practice, the better you will get. As a footballer, anything, any profession you do, anything you do, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Right? In any sport, take any sport. 10k? No, not yet. We wanna cross 8k first. Then we're gonna test 10k. 8k is a major zone, major level. from 7800 to 8k are major ones. There's one more thing that I haven't mentioned yet, is a trend line that we've been waiting to break up. It never broke. Let me just make it a little bit thicker. This one that we have bit here. After this breakout, if the market goes for this test, it's right at 7800, so we have this as a resistance as well. So I don't really use them much, but it is very useful to use, because it's all about what others using it, right? If you see, we had pretty good breakout here as well. So there has been so many signs of entry, so you can enter. But what can I say, guys? It's like some people, you know, they want to enter in the big green candles like these ones. They want to get when there is FOMO. They don't want to get here. I shared last video that you can always buy there. It was only $150 stop loss. Alright, you could have made easily now double of that. Whatever you was risking there, you could have made double of that. Okay, you could have made double of that. Those who really want to buy it, can't wait to buy. I'm talking about them. Okay, you can always wait for the breakout of this and retest again, and then a leg up wherever the profit gets. And yeah, there was one more pattern that I've been seeing people been drawing. I don't know, I haven't drawn, that's why I'm just trying here. There was one more. This, oh yeah, I don't know, there was one more, I'm pretty sure. I forgot what was it. I use support and resistance mostly. This is one of the key that most people don't use. This is where I'm pretty sure Bitcoin has been getting support here and then here. After this breakdown, the support was here, very good amount of support here, and then we made ascending triangle, a potential ascending triangle that I'm expecting it to break up. Okay, we have ascending triangle that's giving us high lows each time. We have a inverted head and shoulder, is a bullish pattern, and that's why I'm expecting a move up if we break 6,800 to 7,000. So hopefully we do, and we do that. The thing is just people can't wait. If we fail that, there's one more news, is ETF. Everyone is so positive about that, and that's gonna be approved and this and that, and that's gonna create a lot of hype, and that's what I'm expecting. We're gonna get major moves, and if it doesn't approved, major fall, like a big one. What I'm expecting is a big fall, and there isn't any other big news. If it fails now, if it gets rejected now, then we're probably gonna go down, I don't know where. But if we break 6k again, okay, let's just say if we break 6k, then we're not even gonna stop on 5k anymore. I'm expecting way lower than that if it gets rejected. All right, I'm not being negative, I'm just saying, giving you possibilities of what's possible to happen. And after rejecting, if it breaks 6k, that's very bad. And the one more thing, if it delays, 10 August is not confirmed date. They have 45 days after that to delay it. If it delays, the dump will come anyways. Right, there's nothing like that. The dump will come anyways, because people will sell it. They buy for 10 August based on their plans, and they will sell again and it will dump again. So there's so many possibilities that you need to keep in mind. You're very welcome, guys. Love you, sir. Love you too, man. But as a brother. What about volume? Volume isn't there. Volume is not there. I don't need to show, like, I don't need to hide anything, or I don't need to say from myself. You can see yourself. Alright, look at this volume bars comparing to this. The volume isn't there. Maybe today's candle will go up higher and give us more volume, but so far volume isn't there. Look at this break of 6,400. volume of this is nothing comparing to, look, we had a lot more here. We still have 1 hour 35 minutes to go to close 4-hour candle. Let's go in 1 hour. See, the volume spike is decent on 1 hour. Comparing to this, we had same candles in the past as well. Selling bars, a lot of it, but even bigger than that. So that's all, guys. That's all I want to share. Is following the pattern. All right, it broke the inside bar yesterday. When it gave me this, it because it was rejecting after breaking the support. In GDAX it was bigger wick. So this bar, after rejecting inside bar, this is what we call on forex fakey setup. Inside bars break down, showing we breaking down, but it rejects the price and shows that bulls are still in control, want to be in control. And then we have been like this move, this choppy move is so weak the way it's been going, and we had a bull flag here that we broke pretty nicely. Yeah, my drawing sucks, you know, but you get the point. All right, that's what matters. We had a bull flag here, small bull flag that broke up. We had an inside bar that gave us a signal, boom, break up. This 63.80 was a signal to go along here. And 4-hour RSI is at the peak 4-hour. Now we need to close above 640. Probably that would be a good thing. 4-hour candle above 64.50. That's what I mean, 64.50. And what else was there I wanted to share? Yeah, this was the inside bar that I was waiting for the break. The next candle, let me just show you Facebook what I've been updating. What? Coin super, there is some type of glitch with these exchanges, guys. You need to keep in mind there are some type of glitches with these exchanges. And I don't know what you know what the problem with this. When I go live, my PC gets so slow, and Apple iMacs, when they get the new update, they make your PC slower, much slower, and that really sucks. A faked one bounced back. Yeah, this picture I shared is, I said there is a lesson you can learn. People try to run quickly and they fell down hard. Okay, many people that watching this already know that you have been in this situation. You try to run for those big dreams quickly, try to get rich quickly, and that's, you fell down and you had to face that old bear market. What you can do is make a bridge, go slowly, making a bridge, filling this gap, go slowly, and you will make it. But going hard, it won't happen. 30. Okay, here's the update that I did. No, it was not 60. This is first time when it was high up there. I said it will come down to 62, 63. It came down to 60 as well. As I said, it gave us a fake out, but it closed above 6200. I have so many. Okay, this is the last night update 30 minutes ago. Like, there is 30 minutes left for protection inside bar. This was yesterday. No, basically day before yesterday, because yeah, that's why candle closed. Expecting a big move coming Sunday today. Sunday, because inside bar is very small, that's why expecting a break. I was expecting that break coming, and I said 65% up, 35% down. Even though I was going to write 70%, but I said, alright, let's make like this, because the thing is, no one knows where it's gonna break. No one does. It's the big guys only that control the market. But that's why I put 65, because I was even 70%, 80% sure that we will break up, based on what I shared in the live. Sharing on the post and the text is different thing comparing to live, because in live I can share each and everything what I'm thinking and how I think this gonna happen. But in the post, people won't understand properly. Okay, that's the difference. That's why I come live and share those things live. Alright, Alright, Girst. Rather than the F isn't there. So gonna break ascending triangle, fail inverted head and shoulder as well. Alright, bulls wants to hold that inverted shoulder, right shoulder, and they wanted to hold ascending triangle. So the both things they wanted to hold it. If it doesn't have the break, the thing is, if it would have break down, that would be a disaster, and that's why there was a big news as well. So based on that, that's why I went with 65% up, because I was sure, like almost, no one is 100%, that was gonna break up, because we have big news coming. We have inverted shoulder, we have ascending triangle that every bull people, yeah, they wanna hold, of course. Makes sense. Your video was good as well. I did take a gamble, so hopefully it pays off. You see, people do take a gamble. I appreciate them. The inside bar broken. I got the information here as well. That's what I love. Like, people, look, I did gamble, like it's a risk that, and it did pay off. Alright, this guy is in the profit and made money more than it was risking. So I'm glad for him. And the same thing here, they updated that. I'll share with you what I meant here is, at first I updated like this chart, and then one second, then after that key level we had a bounce, and then finally it started breaking because it couldn't make a new high. It started breaking now, and after start breaking, this was a break here, a break, and then came down to over this zone. If you see in the last picture, this zone 306 Satoshi, 306 Satoshis, came here around 300 Satoshi, bounced. Look at the bounce it gave, and then next it came to over this zone that I already had in this. It's so easy to find these things. Okay, support and resistance. You just need to practice a lot and learn how to a proper guidance. I have a course for you guys, step by step. You can learn these things. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know, and let's go to altcoin analysis. Okay, let's make this quicker now. I took some forex trade today rather than taking alts trade. Let's see how they're going. Now winning, yes, I am in profit, and now waiting for awesome brother. I'm really happy, Harun, for you. You are in profit. And I'm sorry if your internet sucks. Alright, you know what really sucks? When you have your trades going in a loss. Alright, speak in Hindi. I will speak in Hindi. Give me a few minutes. At the end of 5-10 minutes, I will speak in Hindi. I will share the update in Urdu. I'm a useless YouTuber if I don't speak in Urdu. Well done. If you want to learn and work online, you need to learn English. Trust me, I can do in Urdu. The thing is, I don't do it because I want you to learn it. What are you looking for? You know what mostly people want to make video is, they're looking for shortcuts. They just want someone to give them signal when to buy, when to sell. That's why I notice a lot, because I've been 1 year here in this group, more than 1 year now, and I've seen this. People only want those people that don't want to learn English or like hustle or work hard, because they want for quick gains. That's what they're looking for. And I know I spoke to a few Hindi YouTubers. They said people only want a hope. If someone tell them buy this, buy that, when to sell, when this, that. They don't want to learn. They want. If you go on YouTube, technical analysis channels, you see they get hardly any views, they get hardly any subscribers, just because of this. Because people don't want to look analysis, they don't want to learn, they want for quick ways. They go on the title that says boom, hype, 100% make this, that, like so much crap. That's what I mean. They go for the crap. Tahir, I will do in Hindi, don't worry. Urdu, I will do that in a few minutes. Let me just go with the with what I was going with. Give me a second, please. Alright guys, give me the coins. Which coins you want me to do? I will take 3 from Facebook, 2 from YouTube, because based on viewers. There's more viewers on Facebook and less on YouTube. Let's do BNB coin because it's booming, booming. It's booming. Do you remember, guys? Do you remember this chart? Who remembers it? The last time when I update, like the first time I updated, it was this. It was this. Now become this because I said it's retesting. It's gonna come down, and it is doing. It did that. Right? It did that. Even though it comes here. If it comes here, for example, let me use the pant. If it comes here to this zone, you can make short-term profit, but you can always fall down again here. Okay, or you can come here to this level, make a big wick, and but close down below this, and you can always come back again. So don't be too happy. I don't know when the burn is. When the burn is, by the way, coin burn. We had an inside bar here. If you see, we had an inside bar here that gave us a fake out and then a boom up. Okay, when is the coin burn of Binance? No one's telling me anything. This is our first resistance. This is first resistance, and that's why it's getting rejected from there. If we close above that, and the next day hold it and then retest, and then you can see a move up, because you need to wait for it. Alright, you need to wait for it and then retest. Otherwise, if this doesn't close above it, you won't see anything from it, and it will probably gonna fall down worse there. It's gonna get some support around this area, but after that a bounce and then dump, probably something like that. Next 2 days, then I don't think so it's gonna cross this. Maybe it will, but it will be a fake out, a big wick like this, like this one. That's what you can expect after that. So 2 days isn't much. Cool, that's fine. What else is there, guys? What else is there? One coin is done. ETC, ADA, ETC. I already did BNB. Let's go with ADA. I've been doing ADA. ADA didn't change much, but let's do it again. ADA, BTC. I'll do ETC as well. ADA, waiting for this break. I've been saying that this is our resistance, and waiting for actually kind of this break, okay, which makes a little bit more sense. This is our first resistance, and waiting for this break. If it breaks that, then I will see. The thing is, the volume is getting lower and the move up. That's a weak move, and you can expect a retest. We have a double bottom, we may make double top, and then a pull back again. So stuff like this, it may happen, but for now I'm not really interested. If we say, oh, something, yes, it did broke the major downtrend line, did broke that. That's why you got this pump. But for now, I'm not really fan of this, because the only reason it pumped is because of the Coinbase trolling. Let's go with ETC now. ETC, BTC. Look at this. It's rejecting again and again. Last video I see this, I said this is no buy zone for me. Either I buy from here, or from here, or when it goes above it like this again. But for now, but still bullish. Keep in mind, still bullish until it holds this. I've been saying that after this leg down, I said as long as it hold this, it's still bullish. This old drawing that I did is the old levels are drawn. That was from last few lives. I didn't changed it, and you see the how the market reacts. Look at this. Each rejection is closing below my resistance zone that became a support, but now resistance again. If we get more bigger rejection again, and then probably you're gonna see this level. If it doesn't hold this level back to 22,000 satoshis, crypto has been up. For average bull run may be underway because of the ETS protection. The thing is, maybe, yeah, I'm not saying this isn't coming. Okay, I already shared that what I'm looking for, and it's happening. It is going as we expect, going up step by step. Right, it needs to break each resistance and giving us more and more confirmations. For now, it is doing what we expected from last week. It has been following that pretty much nicely. Okay, 5% is nothing. 5% up after dropping from 800 billion, dropping now is nothing. Honestly, it's nothing. 5% right now, 5% move. It does not mean it's bull again. Okay, what do we have right now? What's the next coin? TRX and SIS. TRX and SIS. We have TRX. TRX. Boom. Who remembers this chart that I've been drawing? First from here, we've been going down from here, and we've been coming. I said I'm waiting for this zone from this. I don't know where the first time I did analysis, but it was something around here. I'm not 100% sure where was it, but yeah, I was waiting for this zone. I was waiting for 450 to 500 satoshi. It came to 550. 510, and didn't came to 500 exactly, but it going up already. It's 20% up. From now, 10, 15, whatever it is. But I've been saying from 450 to 500 is a buy zone. It came to 510 and gave us two 510 pullbacks and then went up again. That's how it works. But right now, this is still a major level. 600 trend is 10. 600 is a major one. The first resistance is 575. So yeah, you know what to do next. What I was doing is next one, SIS BTC. I haven't seen SIS for long. What the heck? I can't use this chart. SIS BTC in Bittrex. This is so damn screwed chart. I can't do SIS. This chart is messed up so bad. What the heck? Honestly, I don't really want to do this. It's messed up. I don't even want to see it for now. It's totally messed up for now. What else is there? Alright guys, that's it for now, I guess. What's the short form of Theta BTC? Let me do Theta BTC, and let me do last one is Wabi. One of my course member asked me to do Wabi, so I will do for them, because I told them that ask me in the live the analysis that you do, and if you want to compare it, if you did right or not, you can ask me on my lives, and you can inbox me as well your analysis. Honestly, it's just there for now. Even I don't really use much trend lines, but for now it did make a double bottom. There's no volume. There's no volume at all. It can always go up, retest 2270 somewhere here, this zone, then a pullback. But for now there is no volume. Okay, I don't have anything to say. There is no volume. without volume it can't do much. It's below 50 RSI as well. That's a bearish sign for me. And yeah, for now nothing much to say about this. This is your next support, that like a major one, 1800 Satoshi. The first one is 1900, 1800. So that's what you need to look for. If it wants to drop, it will drop hard, like this, like a big candles, because there isn't much buying volume. There is gonna be selling volume at some point. Alright, but it can go up again anytime, but there isn't much history. That I need more history in this chart. There isn't much. Is not looking something that I really wanna see in a chart. The volume is dying as well. And if you see, this is our resistance. The first you need to see is break of this based on 4 hour. You need to see clear break of this. If you want to take entry, wait for the retest, take entry, and yes, set targets based on that. It may retest this zone again, somewhere here. After this, you can always retest that breakdown. But for now, it's weak. Alright, it's weak, way weaker than what you seen here. It's very weak, because without volume nothing will work. No technical analysis, nothing will happen actually without volume. There is some volume, so I'm not interested in any market that doesn't have much volume, because technical analysis doesn't really follow that market much. More volume means more expert traders there, people that follow technical analysis, because big guys do follow technical analysis, and those are the one market makers and have the money. Alright, what be the last one, and I will be out because it's been a lot, and then I will give you overview in Hindi Urdu for 5-10 minutes. Wabi, it's been getting accumulated, seems like it. 4 hours. Look at the spikes. Seems like people are starting to buy this. Big chunk. A double bottom, giving us a few indecision candles, rejection, and a clear break, a very bullish break here. But the volume is still not much there. But still bearish trend. This is your first next major resistance. As long as it's above, below this is still bearish, even though below this. This is your this is your next lower high. Alright, you need to break the lower high if you wanna see like clear bullish for now. But this is our first resistance, 8600 Satoshis. Many coin broke the downtrend trend line already. What you need to wait for is this one, or you can always buy low and sell here if you wish to, if you're willing to take the risk. Okay, I'm not saying go buy and sell here, but if you do it, do your own research and analysis. But there is a lot to make here. Still is weak, still weak. The selling isn't much there, just because Bitcoin is bullish, showing strength, some confidence to panic sellers. Selling isn't much there. If Bitcoin tries to go breakdowns for some reason, then you will see a selling coming down as well with this. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in next live. Alright, do share with your friends if you like it. If not, it's up to you. Anyways, I will go with Hindi Urdu overview at the now. हेलो दोस्तों, तो इस वीडियो में मैंने लाइव में ये बताया बिटकॉइन के बारे में, डायरेक्टली बिटकॉइन की चाहता हूँ और बताता हूँ आपको कि मैंने क्या बताया उन्हें। ये मेरा जो चार्ट है जिसमें बहुत मैस है, इसमें मैंने बताया है कि बिटकॉइन फ़िलहाल स्टिल रेजिस्टेंस के नीचे है। बिटकॉइन जो है वो एक असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल बना रहा है। एक सेकंड में दूसरे चार्ट पे जाता हूँ, इसमें मच क्लियर पिक्चर है। इसमें मैं बता रहा था, एनालिसिस कर रहा था मैंने अपडेट दी थी बिटकॉइन की, जब बिटकॉइन यहाँ था लास्ट अपडेट, मैंने कहा था इनसाइड बार बन रही है और यहाँ से हमें एक मूव आएगी। मैंने फेसबुक में भी अपडेट किया था और मूव जो मैंने कहा था 65% में कह रहा हूँ, मैंने लिखा था कि आप जाने का अरुण बहुत अच्छे हाल चाल हैं, तुम सुनाओ। तो अभी मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि ये 6800 ब्रेक करे, 6800 टू 7000 तो फर्स्ट ब्रेक होगा। उसके बाद जो मेजर लेवल है इसके बाद वो 8000 है, उसका ब्रेक अगर हो जाता है तो बिटकॉइन के हाई चांस है 10K टेस्ट करे, मे बी 10,000 टेस्ट करता है तो उसके बाद हमारे पास चांस हैं, क्या नाम है इसके, उसके बाद 12,000। लाइक आस्ता आस्ता काफ़ी रेजिस्टेंस है, जल्दी किस बिटकॉइन ने कहीं नहीं जाना अभी। लेकिन ये जब ये ब्रेक करेगा, वॉल्यूम बहुत लो है अभी भी, वॉल्यूम आप देख सकते हैं बहुत स्मॉल वॉल्यूम बाहर हैं, लेकिन सेलिंग भी ज़्यादा नहीं है अभी। मे बी सेलिंग यहाँ से आए, अगर यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेक ना किया, वापस ब्रेक डाउन किया, बहुत बुरी हालत होने वाली है बिटकॉइन की। और 6K ब्रेक होने के चांस हाई हैं, और अगर 6K ब्रेक हुआ तो लग जानी है सबकी, सिंपल वर्ड्स में। वॉल्यूम लो है, अगर हम यहाँ ऊपर जाते हैं, नीचे ब्रेक करते हैं वापस, तो देखा जाएगा मे बी हम यहाँ से ही या नीचे ब्रेक कर जाएं, कुछ भी हो सकता है। लेकिन जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था वैसे फॉलो हो रहा है सो फार, और आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है, क्योंकि किसी को फ्यूचर का पता नहीं है। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस हमें फ्यूचर नहीं बताती, हमें ये सिर्फ बताती है मार्केट में कंट्रोल किसका है, हो क्या रहा है और पास में क्या हुआ है, पास हिस्ट्री के बेस पे। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस काम इसलिए करती हैं क्योंकि हर बंदा इसे फॉलो करता है, जिनके पास बड़ा पैसा है और जो लोग एक्सपर्ट्स हैं और जो मार्केट मेकर्स हैं। एनीवेज गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, और मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलता हूँ। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो वो भी पूछ लें, मैं आपको आंसर कर देता हूँ। उसके बाद मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलूँगा फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। लगता है किसी का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आ नहीं रहा। तो फिलहाल मैंने बताया था जिसने बाय करना है यहाँ से बाय कर लेता है, यहाँ स्टॉप लॉस लगाते हैं, स्टिल अच्छे प्रॉफिट में होते हैं। लेकिन अगर आपने नहीं लिया तो ना, इफ़ अरुण अगर ये 6800 ब्रेक करेगा ना, तो 7K हमारे लिए स्टिल 7050 स्टिल हमारे लिए रेजिस्टेंस है। और लोग मेजर हाई लो जो हमारा नेक्स्ट वो है 8000, वो ब्रेक करे, उसके ऊपर हमें स्ट्रेंथ दिखाए तो मज़ा तब आएगा बिटकॉइन का। क्योंकि जो मेजर डाउन ट्रेंड लाइन हमने वेट कर रहे थे, जो नीचे हमें ब्रेक दे चुकी है ऑलरेडी पैनिक सेलिंग का, वो भी यहाँ ही बनता है। अगर ये ब्रेक करके ऊपर आता है, ये इसे रीटेस्ट करता है 7800। मार्केट जब बेरिश में हो ना, सेंटीमेंट बेरिश हो, तो बहुत मुश्किल है मार्केट का एकदम ऊपर आना। ये तो ऊपर आई थी यहाँ पे क्योंकि हर बंदे को यही था कि मार्केट अप ही जा रही है, अप ही जाएगी, इसलिए इतनी बाइंग हुई थी। लेकिन अब नहीं ऐसा होने वाला, अब स्लो मूव होगा, सब कुछ स्लो होगा। आएगी बड़ी मूव भी आएंगी, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ से अगर होता है तो यहाँ से एक अच्छी मूव आ सकती है, लेकिन टाइम लगेगा हर चीज़ को। चलो ठीक है, मैं फिनिश करता हूँ इस लाइव को, और आई विल सी यू गाइस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। अगर आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, आप वापस देख सकते हैं सारी वीडियो, सारी अपडेट एक्सप्लेन किया है। इफ़ यू जस्ट ज्वाइनिंग, डू वॉच द replay. The replay is in English anyways. So yeah, I'll see you guys in next live. Bye. Have a good day.